Okay, friends, we started our next part of the chapter, and we are still with the economic activities. And I told you what do you mean by economic activity and non-economic activity, isn't so? Economic activity and non-economic activity. Just give me just few seconds of time. Yeah. You know, yes, economic activity by men and women. So I told you yesterday that we have got primary activity, we have got secondary activity, right? And we have got tertiary activity. So what is the main important aspect of which activity is very much important in India? Primary activity is very much important in India. Still more than 64% people, they are indulged with primary activity. So primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary sector that includes agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry, farming, mining, quarrying, manufacturing is included. They are primary just wait for a few seconds. Primary sector includes agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry, farming, mining, and quarrying. Manufacturing is included in secondary sector, right? And trade, transport, communication, banking, education, they are with the tertiary sector. The activities in which देखो एक और बात देखो प्राइमरी सेक्टर कैसे लेके चलो जो बिल्कुल प्राइमरी है रॉ है फॉर एग्जांपल एग्रीकल्चर जब एग्रीकल्चर में से आप टोमेटो tomatoes as a your tomato मतलब टमाटर जिसे कहते हैं that tomato comes from the agriculture isn't so so you got this is a primary activity from tomato you can manufacture sauces tomato sauces right some other chutney and all and you put it into a factory and then there is a tin pack is there we call it manufacturing टोमेटो से मैन्युफैक्चर किया हुआ सॉस बना तो उसे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कहेंगे वो कहेंगे दैट विल बी आर सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटी टोमेटो इज फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर टू secondary agriculture primary to secondary when the manufacturing is going on that is secondary then tertiary when that particular sauce goes to other shopkeeper from the transport from other sources or our health services or teaching services or these are all tertiary sector. The activities in this sector result in production of goods and services. These activities add value to the national income. ये जो activity है ना ये national income में income को बढ़ाती है. So these activities are called economic activity. And I gave you one example, other example also. When you are getting when your money enhances, when countries money enhances with some type of activity that is called economic activity. But then I gave one example of a person. He's a doctor, and he sits in his clinic. When he treats the patient, he gets the money. That that is a activity economic activity that is economic activity but when he's treating his own family members that is not an economic activity that is simple activity economic activities have two parts market activity and non-market activity economic activity has two parts a market activity and non-market activity अब market activity में क्या आता है market activity involves remuneration जिसमें उनको पैसा मिलता है मार्केट एक्टिविटी में remuneration to anyone who performs उनमें से पैसा मिलता जो काम मार्केटिंग का काम कर रहा है जो प्रोडक्शन कर रहा है जो मार्केट कर रहा है सेलिंग कर रहा है जो कुछ भी कर रहा है राइट सो ही इज गेटिंग सम टाइप ऑफ रिम्यूनरेशन मतलब उसको सैलरी मिलती है या पैसा मिलता है एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म फॉर पे और प्रॉफिट, देखो लिखा हुआ है एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म फॉर पे और प्रॉफिट, जिस एक्टिविटी को करने से पे मिलती है या प्रॉफिट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मार्केट एक्टिविटी। And these includes production of goods or services, including government services. Non-market activities are production for self-consumption. अब बेसिकली आपने एक छोटा सा एक सपोज एग्रीकल्चर फार्म है आपके पास, उसमें आपने अपने घर की के लिए या किसी अपने दोस्तों के लिए सब्जियां उगा दी, या कहीं के लिए अपने घर के लिए अपने सेल्फ कंजम्पशन के लिए सब्जियां उगा दी, तो उसको आप बेचते नहीं है, यू आर नॉट पुटिंग इट इनटू द मार्केट फॉर सेलिंग, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ कंजम्पशन, आप उसे खुद कंज्यूम करते हो। जस्ट दीज कैन बी कंजम्पशन एंड processing of primary product and own account production of fixed assets, अपने लिए जिसको हम प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, that is called, right, self production, self consumption, that is self consumption, right? So that is non market activity, ये नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटी में आ जाता है, क्योंकि इसमें आपको पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है, आप खुद उसे कंज्यूम कर रहे हो। जिसमें पैसा मिलता है वो मार्केट एक्टिविटी है, जिसमें पैसा नहीं मिलता वो नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटी है। जिसमें पैसा मिलता है वो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है, जिसमें पैसा नहीं मिलता वो नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है। क्लियर? फाइन। नाउ देयर इज वन एक्टिविटी फॉर यू, विजिट अ विलेज, you are in village, right, or you may be in some nearby village. Visit a village or colony, next near to your colony, could be in Khanunda's colony, located near to your residential area, and note down the various activities undertaken by the people of that particular village or colony. Right? यदि आप एक विलेज में जाइए या अपने घर के आसपास के कॉलोनी में जाइए और देखिए वहां के लोग क्या काम करते हैं, एक चार्ट बनाइए, ज्यादातर लोग, मैक्सिमम लोग किस में काम करते हैं, नेक्स्ट जो पी लोग हैं वो किस में काम करते हैं, ज्यादातर लोग किस किस एक्टिविटी से जुड़े हुए हैं। इफ दिस नॉट पॉसिबल, आस्क योर नेबर व्हाट इज देयर प्रोफेशन, आस्क योर नेबर, आपके जो पड़ोसी उससे पूछिए व्हाट्स योर प्रोफेशन, इन विच ऑफ द थ्री सेक्टर्स विल यू कैटेगराइज देयर वर्क, कौन से में है, प्राइमरी में उसके काम को आप फिक्स करोगे, यू आर गोइंग टू फिक्स द वर्क ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर नेबर ऑफ योर्स, you're going to fix his work in primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities, right? Say whether these activities are economic or non-economic activities. And next part will be, this is your economic activity or this is non-economic activity. So Vilas sells fish in village market, Vilas cooks for food his family. Look, Vilas sells fish in the village market. Vilas जब fish को village market में बेचता, when he sells his fish, that fish particularly in a village market, so what he get the money. So it's a economic activity. Vilas cooks food for his family, it's a self-consumption, non-economic activity. So this activity you have to do it. Due to the historical and cultural reasons, there is a division of labor between men and women in the family. Women generally look after the domestic chores and all. Yeah, I told you yesterday also. Right. So now, and Sheila is not, and Sakar's mother, Sheila cooks food, cleans utensils, washes clothes, cleans the house, and looks after her children. Sakar's father, Bhuta, cultivates the field, sells the production, market activity है, जहाँ पर वो किसी चीज को बेचता है वो मार्केट एक्टिविटी है, बट शीला उसकी मदर जो है अपने घर का काम करती है, वो मार्केट एक्टिविटी नहीं है, नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटी है, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी नहीं है वो, जहाँ पे whenever from where you get the money, that is an economic activity. When you doing the work for your own home, that is non-economic activity, right? So let's come over here, the last paragraph. Gita, mother of Vilas, earned an income by selling fish. Thus, women are paid for their work when they enter the labor market. Their earnings, like that of their male counterpart, is determined on the basis of education and skill. Right? Whenever you go out for the work, जब आप कहीं और काम करने जाओगे, तो आप your work will be judged by two factors, your education and your skill. how much you are educated, and how much you have got the skill. Education helps. How education help you? Education can help. Then I told you that yesterday also I told you that you should be educated. It will help you, your as individual, to make better use of the economic opportunities. आपके पास जो economic opportunities आएंगे in the future. Today you are studying, but tomorrow when you will be graduated, post-graduated, in your science, your technology, or something else, whatever in your field will be, you will go for the work, or you will do a job, your business, or anything for yourself also. It means you are going to earn economic activity के लिए. Basically, economics says that whatever you are doing, that you are doing job, you are doing something work, that is called economy. पैसे के लिए आप काम करते हैं. So in education, in heart, you also know that today you are getting educated for the future, and future is for your economic base. The future is standing on your economic base. So economic opportunity available before him. Education and skill are major determinants of the earning of any individual in the market. Look, for example, you are better educated, suppose, right? And on the same field, suppose you are better educated, you have got good skill. Obviously, your job will be well paid. Your job will be well paid. Some engineers they're getting 10,000. Some some other people they are getting 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, whatever. And if you go to IIT students, IIT professionals, highly skilled professionals, they are getting, you know, more than many lakhs, 12 lakhs, 13 lakhs per year, per annum. It's a minimum because they are the much more skilled people, right? And the education is from the much higher side. That's why they are being paid. They are well paid people. So skill are the major determinants in the earning of any individual. So again I read education and skill. Education and skill are the major determinants of the earning of any individual in the market. A majority of women have meager education. बहुत किसी कईयों के पास वो बहुत थोड़ा सा एजुकेशन होता है. And low skill formation. Women are paid low compared to the men. Most women work when job security is not there. Various activities relating to the legal protection is meager. Employment in this sector is characterized by irregular and low income. Please underline this sentence. Employment in this sector, which sector? Low category sector, is characterized by irregular and low income. Irregular and low income. In this sector, there is an absence of basic facilities. आपको देखिए जहां पर भी आप जॉब करते हैं ना कुछ बेसिक फैसिलिटीज मिलती हैं, right? Like maternity leave, like child care, like other social security system. However, women with high education and skill formation are paid at par with the men. जहाँ पर भी wherever the women are there, suppose they are low paid, it means their education is not up to the mark or their skill is not up to the mark. Women are less paid if we compare to the men counterpart. I think so. The book also says yes, right? But it is not in everywhere. Somewhere women are highly paid than their men counterpart because their education is in much higher way, their education is much higher and their skill is much higher, right? And higher zone. So at par with the men. Among the organized sector, teaching and medicine attract them most. Organized sector में women को कहें तो teaching profession is, they say that is very good, and and medicine मतलब doctors, nurses and paramedical staff, they used to get good salaries. Some women have entered administrative and other services also. Now not some women, many women they are in It's a old book. Let me tell you one thing. This book was published in the year of 2005, right? 2005 and 2021. More than 16 years. After one decade, more than 1.5 decades, this book has been published earlier, 2005 की बात बता रहा हूँ. So now 2021, lot of time has passed, and you can see and you can see from your surrounding also how women are progressing. Women कितना औरतें कितनी तरक्की कर चुकी हैं. Right, they are in every profession. They are in the army. They are in the air force. They are flying the fighter jets. Right, and they are in the navy. They are doctors. They are engineers. So scenario has absolutely changed now. But how this scenario has been changed? क्या ये scenario change हुआ तो कैसे हुआ? How women are also standing on the same platform as the men are standing over there. उसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे खड़े हैं जिसमें men खड़े हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि education is there, technical know-how is there, skill is there, training is there. So they are same as per their men counterpart. Okay. Among the organized sector, teaching and medicine, take them. Some women have entered administrative IAS officers or IPS officers are there. Everywhere you can see good IAS or in IPS officers, IFS officers are there. In the forest department is also there. In the Navy, Air Force, medical faculty, medical section, women are there. So that is all. Okay, next part is how of quality of population. आप एक दो चीजें होती है दोस्तों, friends. There are two. One is quality and one is quantity. Which you will prefer, quantity or quality? You will prefer, I think, quality. So, what thing improves the quality? What thing improves your quality? आपने देखा होगा सबसे पहले क्वालिटी में सबसे पहले क्या होता आता है? सबसे पहला आता है हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज. हेल्थ, आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी हो ना तो एवरीथिंग इज गुड. हेल्थ इज देयर, everything is fine. So then you start your another aspect. So we start here. The quality of population depends upon the literacy rate. Here what he said, that literacy rate के ऊपर depend करता है. Again now is the health of a person indicated by life expectancy. Right, it is said that Japanese people, they live long. Their health, their health facilities in their country, the health facilities at the topmost. So life expectancy is there, skill indicated by life expectancy and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. The quality of the population ultimately decide the growth rate of the country. Quality से आप अपने growth rate को बता सकते हैं. देखिए, it is said that China is now China's economy is going down, right? Once upon a time China was also there, but Chinese product you don't trust. ये China की बनी हुई चीज है, या ज्यादा नहीं चलेगी. But it is compared to the Americans and Americas or Germans or Japan or even India. You said that we prefer Indian goods if compared to the Chinese goods. Why? Because the quality is there. Okay. So after which aspect enhance your quality? Which aspect it enhances? Enhances का मतलब बढ़ाती है. Which aspect enhances your quality? That is education. That is education. सबसे पहले हम इस education को पढ़ेंगे. I'm repeating and repeating every time, repeating education, education, education. You know, you are well educated. Let me tell you one thing. If I'm telling you you are very good in education and all, then after the education you want communication skills. If you're good in English, you will be preferred. Plus point आ जाएगा आपकी life के अंदर. Yes, the person is good in English. Right? You will be preferred in the job. It is. I'm telling you frankly, it happens. right? So try to improve your education, try to improve your skill. आप अपने स्किल को इम्प्रूव कीजिए, आप अपने एजुकेशन को इम्प्रूव कीजिए, आप अपने कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव कीजिए. You will find that you are the best. Sakar's education is in initial years of his life, and this is the story of Sakal and Vilas. Sakal की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. Sakar's education is in the initial years. Initial का मतलब the forming part. जब बन रहा था, जब वो कुछ करने की सोच रहा था. The first stage, first stage, initial years of his life. Before him, the fruits of the later years in terms of good job and salary. We saw education was an important input for the growth of Sakal. Underline कीजिए. And you should think about yourself also, not only Sakal. I'm not giving the lecture, I'm not giving you any education on the Sakal itself. I'm telling you about the point blank range पे मैं आपको भी कह रहा हूँ. I'm telling you also. Education means direct communication, best skill, best knowledge, best degree is all about education. And education, that is another, many other aspects are also there in education. But we saw education was an important input. Input मतलब जो input दिया जा रहा है आपको. Input for the growth of Sakal. Sakal ने अपने आप को grow कैसे किया? Education के ऊपर किया. So it opened new horizons. नए उसके जिंदगी के अवसर आए. Horizon नए अवसर आए. नए chapter खुले उसकी जिंदगी के. Right, for him, provided new aspiration and developed values of life. Not only for the Sakal, education contributes toward the growth of society. No, basically, if you are educated, then you can give lot of things to your society also. देखिए ना, आज आपको सोसाइटी सब कुछ दे रही है. इवन पेरेंट्स आपको बहुत कुछ दे रहे हैं. Did your parents asking you, okay, that please give it to me because I'm also giving it to you? No, because that is their job, their duty to give you the best. But later on, you should also give your best to your parents, your country, your society. आपको भी वापस करना है. ये नहीं लेकर चुपचाप होके सो जाओ. आपको भी, you have to pay back. How can you pay back? When you are good educated, when you are having a good salary, your parents will be happy to introduce yourself. Look, he is my son or she is my daughter. Because you are good educated one. So, Sakal education contributes towards the growth of society also. It enhances the elementary education with a special emphasis on girls. Special emphasis on girls. Have you heard the one topic, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao? आपने सबने सुना होगा, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. Why? Because we have lot of emphasis on. Just give me 1 minute time. Yeah. Let me tell you one thing. I forget one or two sentences. It enhances the national income. आपके education क्या करती है आपकी? It enhances. Look, it's written over here. It enhances your national income, cultural richness, and increase the efficiency of governance. There is a provision made for the providing universal access, retention, and quality in the elementary education with a special emphasis on the girls. जब आप educated होते हो तो क्या होता है? आपकी personality enhance होती है. Your personality enhances, right? And cultural richness comes into you. You are vibrant. You are a positive thinker. You go with your weight of your weight of not of your body, weight of your knowledge, right? New horizon is there before you. How it could be happen? It could happen only through good education, good skill, good training, right? So that is a rich culture and other aspects. So elementary education, first of all, your elementary education should be good with a special emphasis on the girls. And what we are doing? We are doing the best emphasis on the girls. Beti Bachao, I just was telling a few seconds ago that to say we used to say Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Why not Beta Bachao, Beta Padhao? Because for the last many centuries we are neglecting the girl child, girls education. We are neglecting girls education. So the time is over. That time is over. That period is over. Everyone is the same, right? You also come to the school, girls children, girls one. You also come to the school. You are getting the same education as your counterpart, the male member, right? So with a special emphasis on the girls, there is also an establishment of pace setting of schools like Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district. Vocational streams, ITI, वगैरह have been developed and equip large number of high school students with occupation related to knowledge and skills. You know, only knowledge is not sufficient. Your skill is also sufficient, is also required. Knowledge plus skill. Knowledge, education, knowledge and skill, or knowledge, education and skill. The the planned outlay on education has increased from 151 crore in the first plan, rupees 3766 for 90 crore in the 11th plan. The expenditure on education as a percentage of GDP rose from 0.64 1951-52 to 3.3% in 2015-16 and has remained significant around 3% from last few years. Right now, budget is also there for education and all. So, lot of things we have done today, and lot of emphasis on the girl child, lot of emphasis on education, your skill, your job requirement and all. Take it in your side, in your own way. आप अच्छे से पढ़ो, अच्छे से education लो, अच्छे से training लो, and go for a good job. Right? Next night time. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you. Have a nice, good day.